Hey, welcome back to Danner Adventures, and today we're gonna go do a 24-hour survival challenge at my friend's house, so see you there.
I have a Mexican Shepherd.
What the heck is that?
A German Shepherd, a Mexican.
What?
Kind of wet, don't you think? I see just burn the burn house. Don't get on fire taller than 8 of us today. I'd rather be over here burning on fire.
Close to the house.
But there's no trees at all around it. 50 views or 50 likes on TikTok. Put me in one. 400.
Hey, I like your thing, so you can.
No, now I have to shave my foot. I have to
Oh, you do?
wax my legs and my eyebrows.
One Cody. Ladies first.
What? Are you, right here.
How big's the thing?
7x7.
Open. Cars won't be able to see it.
I guess like yeah, best thing is cars off the sea. Huh?
Well, yeah, so far this is the best area, but I'll show you.
Queen swing. Branches out.
Something like this, you just want to hit everything. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh God!
Greyson, kill me.
This branch.
Slingshotted.
Throw it and throw it at the tree. Oh, look.
What the? You accidentally? I was doubting you completely.
Dude, right here is like perfect. I'm not even gonna try to make myself look bad. Let's go check it out. Look, this is the deer trail.
Yeah, right there. Why aren't we?
Follows the deer.
When I ride, I just go on deer trails.
Spider off me. Oh. That's a bad shot almost.
5 acres is a lot bigger than I thought. Yeah, I'm not a midget. I thought you were gonna go all the way.
No.
Oh yeah, check me out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god, yeah.
There's a fence right there, Grayson. Cody, go this way.
Oh.
Road right there. What? Bird?
Dude, I'm gonna freaking chop them. Maybe we should sleep down here. We can do black. Down here, there's a bunch of baby bunnies. You just squish them all.
Yeah. Target
Oh yeah? Dude, what?
Yeah?
That's freaking big.
Ow!
I stuck it in the ground.
You know,
Hold you throw your machete at it.
I didn't bring it.
I feel like Grayson's just a professional.
Yeah.
Chopping the camera.
That tree's gonna fall down if you hit it. Look at it.
Oh my god, I just noticed how fucking...
Don't stand there, the tree falls on you.
trust him.
You have poop on it or something.
Cobra size
What is
fucking...
that?
Oh, these are bad shoes. They have holes in them.
Are you actually looking through the boat?
Harder. I think that's my problem.
Dude, look at this freaking nature's life jacket, dude. This is if you love nature. Yeah. Loudmouth Cody.
Yeah.
That means I can catch any rabbit.
Oh, in the hole.
So our house is gonna be there and some way over here.
No. Why
Our
do we
house
just over there?
set up a tent right here and call it a day.
I know.
Fit over there?
Yeah.
And we
A
got mine.
7x7.
Well, let's make some room. We got machetes and hammers and
Yeah.
Cody's.
Grayson's
running
professional
shoes.
Fucking throwing skills.
Yeah.
No, dude, just go sideways.
I don't have boots.
You probably get more grip than I did.
I'm just spraining my ankle.
Give me your tent. Throw the tent. What? God dang.
Throw me the thing.
God, dude. I didn't think you were actually gonna hit it. Ow! Dude.
Oh, that actually hurt so bad, dude. Oh, you hit me right on my knuckles.
I was
Dude, that water's actually kind of clean.
drink out of it.
When I'm out of water.
It's freaking 6'9" by 6'9".
Yeah, there it goes. Huh?
What the hell is this?
Take a before and after photo, Colton. Video.
I'm already videoing.
Oh, look at us. Don't cut the part where we're reading.
You can stop.
cut myself. Oh, we got skins in there.
Skin? What is this thing so hard? I don't know why I'm cutting these branches. Ow! When they don't.
Oh, we can cook beans in that. Oh,
Oh, the best.
are you still videotaping?
Oh yeah.
Look, I actually cut myself.
Oh, bah! Ow! Snap my finger. Yeah. God. Wait, that's your swing branch. Dude, this thing doesn't break. Ugh. Ugh. God dang. Oh yeah, cause look.
Is it in the ground?
No, it's this.
Oh, it's a you?
I don't know. Or is it still in the ground? Well, maybe it was still in the ground.
Nope. Not anymore.
Ugh. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe I cut myself. Let's see if I can make it. You idiot.
Okay. It's gonna be a while. We got it.
Yep, it's gonna take me just a little bit. Give me a second. Okay.
Oh yeah. Final couple cuts.
Guys, we're almost done.
Oh god, yeah.
Gotta go find some rocks.
Oh, I'm gone for not even 5 minutes.
Huh?
We were talking about
No, as you walked away, I cut myself.
Yeah.
It's even like, oh really?
It was like not even a second later, right?
It's on it, it's kind of like glue.
Perfect.
Oh, we gotta go grab all the other stuff. Like the foot.
Yeah. We gotta make our tent do. We got a lot to do. Figured you have one. You on him? Alright. Full. Alright. Cody! You got a whole lot of junk. Yeah, you've been a lot worse since we're gone. There's still more up there.
Snake ones come by, we can see it coming at, like, you know. But, I don't know. It's hard work, so. Yeah, but I got all the small twigs, the starter. Now we see the medium and stuff. Yeah, if you actually want to do that, then I did that. Well, flatness and at night, and we, like a critter's coming at us, we can actually see it. And I'm just gonna. Nice. I'm gonna have to like start this out. Holy shit. Who did it? Honestly.
Dude, my weenie almost just shot like a slingshot.
How you cooking it, dude?
I'm getting it in there. What do you mean?
You know what we need to build?
Look at that
A
thing.
weenie stand.
Look at that. Yeah, we do.
We need to build a weenie stand, dude.
Dude, we should have just put 2 sticks that have a Y and then just put a bunch of weenies
that's what I'm
on
saying, dude. Why don't we make a weenie stand?
I don't know.
In the
We could
morning.
have put a pig on there too.
Wait, how many nights are we sleeping out here?
I don't care. We can
Tonight,
sleep
or
too.
can we do it tomorrow as well?
We can do both.
Dude,
Yeah, I got
we did all this in one night. Imagine what we can do in 2.
It's on my weenie.
Hopefully this thing doesn't fall off.
Ashes on my weenie.
Guys, look how dangerous this is. This twig is on fire and it's halfway. Yeah, here. Hey, hey!
Stop touching me. Come on.
It's a sword fight.
Why are we sword fighting out here?
Your stick's on fire.
Oh shit.
Ow! Dude, my weenie's about to catch on fire. Look at so many ashes on it.
I'm not stopping until mine's black.
All the fire is from straight to the head.
It's
so hot.
I have this
Dude.
back.
Got a fire extinguisher.
My dad made me bring it.
I was gonna see if you guys were tall.
You're like humping my winter stick. Promise you. See?
Hold tight. Yeah, see? It's gonna sizzle. See, it's frozen. No.
Oh, that's a
You recorded my
Yeah.
weenie on the rock?
Oh no. It actually looks pretty cool.
It looks cold?
It looks cool.
Oh, dude, what? We should have made a flatter surface, huh?
Well, yeah, maybe. I thought you already had it perfect.
Are you kidding me? It's freaking weenie away with wood.
There you go, right there.
Yeah, man, just gonna get that. This
There's some big old hands in the way.
Ow! I forgot there was a fire. Alright, ready? Count down. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, there he goes.
Wow,
Okay.
that lasted a very. Oh, now it's going. It's kind of small, but. How much was that?
$2.
No, this isn't thick enough. Oh, you're burnt for sure. Oh. Was there dirt in there? Can we show it? Yeah. Don't like chocolate. Oh God.